Hey, don't. Oh, hey, look, it's my best friend. Red target thing. Cool! I'm sorry, red target thing, I gotta go to school, red target thing. Ah! What the hell is that? Oh god. Red target thing's sister! Big Mary! Oh, what the hell? Alright, let's go. Why does it go through my skull? Did y'all see? That could have hit me, not gonna lie. Hi, Steve again from Minecraft. Oh, hey, look, it's my school. I think I'll just go now. Haha. Hey there, bodyguard, how you doing? Oh my god! Looks like I can't go to school that way. Unless... Tis but a scratch. Let me in. Wait, what the heck? Trust me, y'all, this isn't foreshadowing. Trust. I wonder, I actually do. Can I parkour from here to there? Nope. Well, time to stop being a god. It feels so good to be human again. Who the hell just said that? Oh well. La da da dee. I don't need to be. La da da. Makes me feel sometimes. Idiots! You ain't shooting me. There's a lot more swearing playing to be honest with you. Anyways, so let's see the code. 7 dash 3 just thanks. Go. Oh my god. It's on my tail. I don't have a tail. Don't touch my tail. Go. Oh my god. Chat, put it here. Nope. 2-3. 7-2-3. Alright, let's see. What the hell? Oh yeah, wait, no, this is just my neighbor's yard. Ha. Wait. No. Now. I'm gonna die. Oh! Wait, that was actually pretty good. 1-7-2-1-3. Now I just need to not die on my way back. Now. That, gonna slap me in the ass. Go! No! What do you mean? What do you mean? Boom. Arby's! We have the meats! 4217. Okay, wait. Now. Easy! So 4217. Easy. Two, 4, 1, 7, I guess. I don't know why it says that's the code, even though it's 4217. But sure, whatever floats your boat, pal. I'm gonna close this door since I am a respectful gentleman. I die. I hate my life. I am very green, but I mean made of calcium. My bones are rigid, clean, fresh, you see. Now I did not touch anything. What the hell do you mean that I died? I hate you so much. I hate you. You should die. You should die. 3, 2, 1. Shut front. Something. I don't remember the words at all. The words. That's gonna be my new outro from now on. Prepare to see that at the end of every video. If I ever post again.
3, 2, 1. Such bright, my bones aren't white. They're colored neon lime. It's alright, didn't die. I'm a scary guy. I'll make your children cry. My heart has turned bone dry. It's alright, didn't die. Say goodbye.